Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is another Learn, Develop, Live 1 minute of motivation coming direct to your good self. How are ya? Now, if we can talk about getting you back on track. Now, if there's something you've been trying to put off, if you fancy trying to chase after a new career, or maybe find some new skills for you to level yourself up, send me a text message on 07801 543 515. We can book your free 30-minute call, or you know the address, ldlcall.com. Book that slot, and let's talk soon. But first, here is today's quote from Mr. Terry Johnson. Have you ever noticed how, what the hell, is always the right decision to make? We've had those times of uncertainty. Do we go option 1 or option 2? Maybe there's even option 3. In the times of should you or shouldn't you, sometimes the best choice is actually, what the hell. Whether it's right or wrong, it just feels the right thing to do. So why not just go with it? Sometimes that option ends up giving you the best results.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.